Dear Chartered Accountants, working professionals, and students in the domains of Indian auditing, accounting, and the tax and regulatory space, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing Chartered Accountant. Daily news and updates for 26th September 2023. The Union Finance Secretary T.V. Somanathan has expressed the view that artificial intelligence has the potential to replace some of the work currently done by auditors and accountants. He believes that AI can significantly enhance automation in business processes, making it more potent than traditional automation methods. Somanathan's statement reflects the growing influence of AI and automation in various sectors, including finance and accounting. AI can perform tasks such as data analysis, pattern recognition, and even basic decision making, which are integral to auditing and accounting processes. However, it's important to note that while AI can automate certain aspects of these professions, it may not replace them entirely. Human expertise and judgment remain crucial in many complex financial and auditing scenarios. Ministry of Corporate Affairs has extended the timeline for holding annual general meetings and extraordinary general meetings through video conferencing or other audio-visual means until September 30th, 2024. The Income Tax Department has urged taxpayers to address any outstanding tax demands for previous years in order to facilitate faster clearance of refunds for the 22-23 fiscal year. This is a taxpayer-friendly measure as it gives taxpayers an opportunity to clarify the status of any outstanding demands and ensure that they receive the refunds as quickly as possible. CBDT has released updated utilities, Excel-based utility and a MAC utility for filing income tax returns ITR 3, ITR 5 and ITR 6 for the assessment year 23-24. The Directorate General of GST Intelligence has sent out a dozen pre-show cost notices to online real money gaming companies over goods and service tax dues of about Rs 55,000 crore. These include a GST notice of Rs 25,000 crore to fantasy sports platform Dream11, possibly the largest indirect tax notice served in the country. With more notices expected in the coming weeks, the total GST demand raised by DGGI from RMG companies might touch Rs 1 lakh crore. A global aviation leasing watchdog has for the second time cut India's compliance rating with international leasing laws and kept the country on a watch list with a negative outlook amid a dispute between local airline Go First and its aircraft lessors. The move by the Aviation Working Group, a UK-based entity that monitors leasing and financing laws, comes as bankrupt budget carrier Go First is locked in a legal tussle with aircraft lessors seeking to repossess jets. Car makers in India, including Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai and Honda, are increasing production and working longer hours to meet the high demand and clear their order books ahead of the festive season. The industry expects to sell over 1 million cars this season, surpassing previous years. The festive season accounts for 30 to 35% of retail auto sales, and companies are fine-tuning production and increasing capacity to meet consumer demand. Despite the easing of pent-up demand, there is strong fresh demand indicating positive growth in the sector. Amazon on Monday said it's investing $4 billion in artificial intelligence firm Anthropic, which rivals generative AI apps like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's AI chatbot Bard. E-commerce giant Amazon just announced to the world that Microsoft and Google will no longer be the only tech behemoths competing in the generative AI space. The AI race is on, with the big tech firms racing to lead in the development, deployment, and utilization of artificial intelligence technologies, which is all set to fuel innovation. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.